What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We're out here with my Z and the homie's new R33 GTR. I don't think I've recorded this car on the channel yet. Midnight Purple. The man himself, Mr. Baller. What's up, big dog? How are you?
Good, good.
Damn, you gotta flex on me like that, bro.
Yeah, bro, not even.
Alright guys, we made it to the spot. There's actually some pretty sick cars here, so let me go ahead and walk around and show you guys. We're gonna start the vlog with this beautiful, beautiful Mark IV Supra. God, bro, look at this. Dude, that turbo's bigger than your head.
Dude.
This shit is so sick, bro. Two JZ King. I wouldn't doubt it. Fucking sick, bro. I need one day. Another one right next to it. Right hand drive. Okay, okay. You better get a 700. So. 400. Okay, okay. Bro, wait. 700. Damn. Or 46.
Oh shit.
They don't have it in the easy mode like everyone else. Hit it and they go like 800,
Yeah.
900.
Oh, this is a hard mode?
Yeah.
No, it's a middle level.
Alright.
Hey, that's so
I guess it's tuned to like a, I guess like not easy like the other ones. So he told me my 491 score was equivalent to 2000. Damn, look at this clean as you right here, bro. Okay. I see you. Very, very clean. So next to my homie Jimmy over here is a new Nismo Z. Bro, this shit is fucking sick. It's bagged too, I think on SSRs. My goodness. I've actually been thinking about getting one of these. Well, not a Nismo, but a regular Z. And wow, this thing look kind of sold me. Bro, this thing is the craziest I've seen in person. Damn, bro. I need one. I think we need some. I think I'll take this over a Supra, low-key.
Over a Supra?
Just because you never see them, bro. You just never see them, and they're so sick.
That's true. Supras are easy.
But like, bro, I can't even remember the last time I seen one of these in person.
That one's dope.
And the sickest car here. I didn't even notice this thing, bro. R34 carbon hood TEs. Carbon trunk and wing, damn. Must be nice. I feel like once I get this car, bro, I could die happy. I don't need anything else. I don't need no Lambo. I don't need no Ferrari. I don't need nothing. I just need this. Once I get this, I'm like, I'm cool.
What would you rather pick, this one or that one?
This or what?
Jimmy's.
I'll still take the 34, but Jimmy's is actually really clean. I would definitely get an R33 too. That has to be the quietest Mustang I've ever seen on a tire. Check out the Z06 though. On the stickly nickel. Okay. You would get this Corvette over this?
I would get this, yeah.
Over this?
Yeah.
Alright, you're finding an Uber home, bro. I ain't taking you home. This Supra just pulled up. Look at that tire, bro. Look at this exhaust too. Damn, this is literally a dream of mine right here. It's literally perfect. Down to the tire, down to the exhaust, down to the color, the wing, everything is perfect on it. Another huge turbo under the hood. This is literally perfect, bro. The red accents. Damn. Freaking insane.
Frog fucking color.
Just look at the turbo, bro. Golly. Alright, alright. This could be you, but you're sleepy.
It could have, if I still had my Mustang.
Shit's sick. On the skinnies. Damn, on the carbon doors. Okay, okay. I was actually gonna buy these wheels. I had the opportunity to trade for them for my welds, but I don't know how I feel about the 15s on my car. Actually, they look pretty sick. What size tire are they? 60s. They look something different. Got white accents. Damn, this Civic is good as hell. It actually looks pretty clean in here too. Kinda like it. Kinda like the good look. Alright guys, picking up the camera about 2 hours later. We are currently on the way to the shop. Gonna fix a few little things with the Z really quick. And see what else we get into. Alright guys, finally made it to the shop. Looks like he's tuning this G50. The exhaust on this car is actually out of the turbo. So, these don't work. Looks so mean, bro. The V-Lux. I don't know why I'm not really a fan of those V1 wings on like non-Nismos, but on this car it really flows so good. Alright guys, we're now headed home. My bad, I low-key didn't really record that much at the shop, but as you guys see, we tested the car out. The car is doing fantastic. It feels really good. Now we're on the way home and this dude is still with us. On green? Huh? On green? I need that. Can you give me that, please? Pull over. That shit sounds fucking sick. Oh shit, there's a cop. Ah, I made you look.
I didn't see one.
Bro, that shit is bye, blown turbo. Alright guys, it's the next day. I completely forgot to close out the video last night, so here I am. So yeah guys, I mean, all the little bugs that I have with the Z are all fixed. The car's running perfect. And it's funny, so this car's fixed or whatever, it's running good, and this car decides to throw me a check engine light, I think like 2 days ago. But it's cool. I mean, that's the thing with cars, honestly, especially modified ones. If it's not one thing, it's another. But I don't think this is too serious because I mean the car's still running pretty good. It's running strong like normal. What I'm thinking it is, I think it has something to do with my pretty big header leak that I have. It just got worse, and when it got worse, that light popped up. So I'm hoping it's something to do with that. I'm gonna be fixing that probably this week anyway, so hopefully it's something with that, nothing serious, which I don't think it's nothing serious because like I said, the car's running pretty strong, running the same as usual. With that being said, that's pretty much gonna conclude today's video. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. My bad if the video was kind of all over the place, and once again, sorry I didn't really record the whole fixing the bugs issues. We just got that done really quick. He didn't have that much time and took the car for a rip and everything was good. So with that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, oh actually before I end this video, I do want to say that the turbo kit is still for sale if anybody is interested. Shoot me a DM on Instagram or drop a comment down below and we'll find a way to contact each other. But with that being said, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys could be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.